Bands in my pockets, all 20s and 50s. It's just me and Cuz got a Glock with a 50.
Shoot my shot, I don't aim for the rim. Get a chop in a cup, throw a party, it look like a monster. It's such a
Just rate some of my homies.
God damn, wigger.
I got you. I ain't on no hustle.
No,
You know what I mean?
no, not like that. Not like that.
No, I'm not saying. And don't call me.
Umar would definitely
He
not
looks
be.
like Chris. Oh my god, that looks like Chris.
Whoever Chris is.
Oh,
bro, who's
Shout
Chris?
out to Chris.
That's not a white girl, bro. She black inside, bro.
Nah,
I
for
don't want to be mean. I'm not a
Black
mean
inside,
person.
white
I
Nah,
get
it's
it.
cool. It's cool. It's all, you know, it's your preference type shit.
Yeah,
who is
I'm not
Chris?
like, you know, I give him like
Who is Chris, yo?
Wait.
Compared to another nigga, bro.
Can you say that?
Nah,
with a
David,
voice?
ask her who's Chris, bro. I'm actually vexed.
like a 6.
Bro, tell her who is Chris.
Oh, he's cute. Hold on. He got like an 8. Alright,
An
he's
8?
cute.
Type shit.
Nah, I'm vexed, bro.
This guy.
Oh, he's fine. I ain't gonna lie. He got like a 9.
I know.
Bro, who is Chris?
Yeah. Is he Hispanic?
Yeah.
She's a whole fucking dumb blonde. Who the fuck is Chris?
7.5. I appreciate you. Have a blessed day.
Bro, this white bitch talking about something. Oh my god, he look like Chris. Like, bro, fuck my
Nah, you lucky. Do look like Chris.
Who is Chris? Who is Chris?
No, you high key look like Chris though. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, fuck this bitch, bro. I'm done with this shit, man. Nah.
Can you rate some of my homies?
Sure.
Oh god.
He like a 7.
7. Okay.
How?
All right. What about this guy?
He like a 6.
6.
Yeah.
Okay.
You lying, bro.
What about this guy? There you can
He
see.
like a 6.
Yeah. Wait, what about this guy?
He's like a 7.
7. Okay.
Oh, he's like a 9.
He's a 9. Okay.
Well, she like Hispanics, bro.
Yo, we moving to Canada, guys. We moving to Canada, guys. like,
Yeah.
we
he's
have
like an
one,
8.
8.
folks.
Okay. Can you rate some of my homies?
Are they gonna be butthurt?
No.
Oh, like out of what? Out of 10?
Yeah.
Nah, out of 5, bitch.
Like,
Yes, I was good.
Huh? 10.
It's like a
Damn, this is
possible 6.
passable 6. Okay. Wait, 6 is
Sorry,
passable?
The lip ratio is throwing me off.
Oh, okay. You don't like guys with big lips?
Oh my god.
No comment.
No comment?
Yo,
Wait, so that's like broke your scale BMS type shit.
No, it's like type no comment. It's the no comment.
Okay.
Okay, 7 again.
Okay.
8.
who is that, bro?
You know who he reminds me of?
Who does he remind you of?
AI generated, bro.
I'm sorry. Hold
Yo,
on.
what the fuck?
Cinnamon
George.
Stick Off, the Applejack Fox.
Apple Jacks?
Give me
Cinnamon
this girl's IG real quick, yo. Give me this girl's.
Okay,
The fact she can't tell the difference is crazy.
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying.
Like 6?
6? Okay. Appreciate that.
Bro, who is that guy you showed me? Was that AI generated?
Rate this dude.
Oh shit. Bro, use the flick from his story, bro. Tell her she's not 20. She's a liar. No 20-year-old looks like this.
I'll give you a 7.
Why say you?
I'll take that.
That's not you?
Bro, what the Huh? Can y'all rate my homies?
Let me see them. No.
Whoa. Oh, wait. Okay.
Neither.
That's gotta be racist. There's no way.
What that mean? Can I get like a number? Like out of
6.
10? 6?
6.
Alright, what about this guy?
-1.
What?
Can you rate some of my homies?
God.
Can you
She looked like Princess Glittersparkle.
can you rate some of my homies?
Are they children?
No. No. No, we all 18 plus.
They white?
We got a mix.
Oh, okay.
Very diverse over here. On SB. Here we'll.
Right now, I don't like raw chicken breast.
Raw
a
chicken
7,
breast.
I mean, it looks like she
7.
likes everything, bro.
6,
6.
8,
Okay.
9,
Oh,
5.
he's in Princess
Oh,
Glitter
damn.
Sparkle, bro.
Oh, we almost done. We almost done. 5.
She looks like the
villain
in 4?
My Little Mermaid, bro.
Yes, she went.
3.
Damn. Okay.
Damn.
I appreciate you though.
For one in a section, it's not a way you can run out of.
Can you rate this dude? All right.
They about to laugh. Why you
He
get
broke the
cousin?
scale.
broke-
That's fine, Shy.
Tight shit.
These are fine shit.
Like, let's take a trip to the tropics. Put some bread on my.
Thank
Wait, what you grubbing on?
It's a chocolate.
Yo, I never wanted to be a box so bad.
Like what in the?
Yo, what?
Tell him to rate us, bro.
Hey, bro, you want to race some of my homies?
Is that Big Chungus?
Do I want to race your homies?
No, rate.
No, I stopped, bro. Skip, bro. I like you, bro.
Sure, I guess.
Yeah. Yo. Yo, you kind of like Brock Lesnar
I get that a lot.
type shit. But what's your question? You kind of look like, you kind of remind me of a guy. You kind of look like this guy. Hold up.
Shane Dawson?
No, you kind of look like this guy.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I got you.
Nah, y'all dead look alike. Yo, what you do for LeBron Day, gang?
LeBron Day?
Yeah, what you do for LeBron Day?
Fucking out of this world, bro.
Whoa. What you mean by that, bro? You don't fuck with greatness?
Greatness?
I see you clearly don't fuck with greatness.
Greatness?
You clearly don't fuck with greatness. I could tell by the way you brush your beard you don't fuck with greatness, bro.
Is she an English teacher?
I'm gonna cry.
Ew.
I think we're gonna stop drinking Dr. Pepper.
I'm never touching Dr. Pepper. Can you rate some of my homies?
Okay.
Which one?
Like the one in the middle.
Bro, Ted, shut up, bro.
Huh?
I said lovely.
No. What about this
Where
guy?
did you get on this
Yeah,
motherfucker?
He's lovely.
Yeah, lovely.
He's lovely.
It's a serious question. How do you feel about being my side, bitch? Run it back. I'm gonna run it back 20 times. How do you feel about you and her in the plus one being my bitch?